Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to factory reset or erase iPhone without Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you have forgot your Apple ID password, so how to erase or factory reset iPhone without passcode. So keep watching this video until then. Open setting and here is scroll down and find out general, tap on it and then again scroll down and here is transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here is the top two options, reset or erase all content setting. Simply tap on erase all content and setting here guys. So simply tap on continue. Here is now tap on erase iPhone. Here is, and guys, enter your iPhone passcode on this iPhone, and after that uploading data to iCloud. Guys, you can also skip backup. Here is as me. Now he is asking Apple ID password, but I forget my Apple ID password. So how to factory reset iPhone? Here is my error. You can see now, guys. Simply you can here forget your Apple ID password. Tap on it and wait for some second again. So after that, he's asking iPhone passcode. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Here is, now wait for some second again. He's now, guys, enter your new Apple ID password without two-step verification, without any verification code. Now enter new Apple ID password. After entering new Apple ID password, you can erase or factory reset iPhone with this password. Guys, I hope many iPhone user will be able to get password without any verification by this way. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.